One way to manually crop and correct the perspective of an image is using the Perspective Crop tool. This tool can be used both for correcting perspective and also for adding distortions. In order to select it, I'll click and hold on the Crop tool and then select the Perspective Crop tool. I'm going to zoom into my image using Command+. I'll tap it once and then tap it again. And I'm going to click and drag out a crop marquee around this window. Of course, the window isn't quite straight, so I'll just release when I get close. Then I can redefine the perspective of the crop marquee that I've drawn by repositioning it into place here. Now, I don't want to include just what's inside of the window. I was really just using that as a guide. So I'll zoom out using Command-, and then I'll select the middle handles in order to stretch the area that I actually want Photoshop to correct. I'll stretch this one up, and we can stretch this one down, and I'll move the left side over a little bit as well. And of course, I was using the window as my first guide, but we can always come in and readjust these at any time if I think that I'm better off making the perspective a little bit different based on, say, for example, the rivets going across the top of these metal sides of the house. Once I've defined the perspective of the image that I want, I can tap the check mark or the return or enter key, and Photoshop will automatically correct that perspective.